Listen up. Wages are being cut. Jobs are being lost. These days, it seems that cash is hard to come by. But think about this. By the end of this video, how many millionaires will there be in the world? 10 million. Of that 10 million, how many are in the U.S.? 2.9 million. The #1 ranking on the planet. These numbers are expected to grow in the coming years. How would you like to join those numbers? Are you listening? What's the one thing that people need and crave when they wake up? Coffee. Let's take a walk. How many places can you get a cup of coffee? Besides running across a dozen Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, Burger King, Subway, and even gas stations are all serving coffee. Wonder why? It's recession-proof. Look at McDonald's. They're known for over 1 billion burgers served, but compare that to over 500 billion cups of coffee served every year. The McCafe makes a lot of sense now, doesn't it? McDonald's profits topped $1 billion serving coffee. What does financial security mean for you, your loved ones? How about to live the life you want, the life you deserve? You can. It's all within your reach. By the end of this video, you'll know how. Now do we have your attention? To be successful, some people think that you need these things: an education, experience, startup money. Well, you don't. You only need to do one thing: make a decision. Anybody, anywhere. But it can't just be any time. It has to be now. This opportunity is rare. It's the next big thing. It's something revolutionary. Remember these? 1975, a time before personal computers. What happened? Microsoft happened. Now there's a personal computer in every home. Some even have several. 1998, a company found a way to improve the internet. It simply made information freely available, nearly instantly, to anyone with an internet connection. That company is Google, the world's largest online index. 2001, a time of CD players and Walkmans. People were looking for an easier way to carry around their music. The answer? The iPod, an invention that spawned a new era in technology. Today, remember those 500 billion cups of coffee? What if you took the second most consumed beverage in the world, the second most traded commodity in the world, and the #1 comfort food, and made it better? What if I could serve you a cup of coffee with over 150 antioxidants, 200 phytonutrients, no known side effect, with over 700 studies finding these benefits, and it still tastes like your favorite cup of coffee? How is coffee revolutionary? It isn't. It's evolutionary. Have you noticed what's going on around you? People want to feel better. People are connecting worldwide. People crave energy. We've combined these trends with a product that has been popular for centuries, skyrocketing it to extraordinary new heights. Welcome to the evolution of coffee, an enriched cup of coffee that is actually good for you. There's an amazing botanical that's been benefiting people for 4,000 years called Ganoderma lucidum. The best part? Ganoderma lucidum is a natural and organic product. It's taken 15 years of research and development to bring it this far, but it's finally arrived right here, right now. Who says money doesn't grow on trees? Look at the cold hard facts. Gano Excel introduced Ganoderma lucidum to the world. We have the world's largest 100% organic plantation. We've been successful in over 65 countries. There are 5 million satisfied customers worldwide. Over 2 billion portions are sold annually. That's hundreds of millions of dollars a year. Sure, hundreds of millions of dollars is great, but compare that to what it will be. Gano Excel will be the next billion-dollar company. If you knew these products would be this successful and someone presented you the opportunity at the beginning, would you make the decision? Absolutely. 100%. Does this look familiar? You'd be on your way, joining the ranks of millionaires in the world. Gano Excel provides the opportunity to achieve your goals, no matter how modest or how grand. Our story is proven. The stage has been set. There's one simple fact. This is an opportunity that practically guarantees your success. How can you be a part of it? Gano Excel has been successful all over the globe, and now Gano Excel is planting its roots in North and South America, where 80% of the world's coffee drinkers reside. If we reach hundreds of millions of dollars with just a portion of the world's coffee drinkers, imagine where we'll be with the United States and all of Latin America. Gano Excel has yet to reach its maximum potential. That means there's still time to get on board. The sky is the limit. The time to act is now. Be a part of the evolution so you can have the life you want, the life that you deserve, the life you've dreamed of. Because who knows where you can be in 6 months, a year, or even 5 years from now. Time's up. Isn't it time for you to join that group of millionaires? Join the evolution. Gano Excel. For more information, please contact the person who referred you to this video.